dang home. You so fine. You got all the bedrooms and bathrooms I need. You are in the location I love. And ooh-wee, that island view is so sweet. You know what? You got me doing things I never thought I'd do before. Number one, turning around my hat so I look proper for you. And number two, taking off my own wedding ring to propose to you. Home of my dreams, will you marry me?
Hey, I see your name is 6%. I hear you've been getting high a lot lately. Maybe you go check out a movie and we head back to my place and I can strip you down to 3%. What do you think of that?
You marry the house, well, because it's beautiful. Because it has all the requirements you need. The number of bedrooms for your family, bathrooms. It has that beautiful kitchen, that wonderful wood floor. It has enough space for you and your family, and it is in that desired location. You will be married to this house for a very long time.
Hey guys, in all seriousness, trying to bring a little humor to what the rising rates going on. You know, it's painful for anybody that's looking to buy a house. As your buying powers goes down, but prices are still remaining high out there. They might plateau for a little bit with the rising rates. But, you know, we talk about, you hear the saying, you know, marry the house, date the rate. What we're meaning is, you know, the house is what you fall in love with. That's what you're going to be in long term. The rate you don't have to be in long term. You know, you can still do a 30-year fix. It's maybe going to give you a higher payment than what you want to have. Or you can do adjustable rate mortgage. It might give you a lower payment, but it can adjust later on. But you can get into a different program later on. We can get you out of that rate when they do come back down in the future. And we can talk about options, you know, and where that leads you.